Hey guys, it's the next day and we'll recap of last night. We didn't bring the camera, we forgot to bring the camera.
3/4 of a mile. Turn left on Sunset Street.
You hear that? But we forgot to bring the camera, but we also noticed there was no phones or cameras allowed. And it said on the menu, it's like a really fancy dinner, and so we took some pictures. We still use our phones. We took pictures of our meals, and I'll throw them up here, but it was really delicious. I definitely recommend Geronimo. It's such a nice culinary experience. So now we are headed to, boys, where are we headed?
Turn left on Sunset Street.
Just to Meow Wolf. We're going to Meow Wolf. We've been there once when, before Saxon was born. Savannah was really little and Shepard was just a baby that we carried. So this is gonna be fun. Let's see how it's changed, but I hope it hasn't changed too much because it was awesome. Here we are. Wait, guys, where are we? Where are we, Shepard? Meow Wolf. Well, this looks like a house. Y'all want to go look inside this house? What do y'all want to do? Okay.
Spirit comes from across the galaxy.
Whoa, Shepard! Thank you. Shepard, you've been waiting for this. Whoa, I'm gonna go. So I can have that
Okay, who wants to go first? How was it? How was it, Shepard?
That's so much fun. Dad, come here.
Look, you guys, it's a little camper. We can go camping. Look, we're camping in Utah. Isn't that cool? It's like we're camping in Utah.
Can you open these?
Are y'all in a cartoon right now?
I think so. Hamsters.
Look at all of those hearts.
I saw all those hamsters.
Wow. Oh, you found a hamster. Good job. What's in here?
Everybody aboard.
Oh no, okay. Savannah's gonna drive. I'm just gonna sit here. Whoa.
Oh.
Look, there's a blinged out raven.
I keep
Savannah and Shepard and Saxon's favorite, the candy place.
my